Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get white canvas shoes clean. First, remove the laces and insoles from your shoes. This allows for a more thorough cleaning. Next, use a dry brush to gently remove any loose dirt, mud, or debris from the canvas. This initial step prevents dirt from spreading during the wet cleaning process. Finally, prepare your cleaning solution by mixing 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap with 2 cups of warm water in a small bowl. Now, let's tackle those stains. Dip a soft bristled brush or a clean cloth into your prepared cleaning solution. Gently scrub the entire canvas surface of your shoes in small, circular motions. For more stubborn marks, mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part hydrogen peroxide to form a thick paste. Apply this paste directly onto the stained areas. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, letting the mixture work its magic before scrubbing again. After scrubbing, it's crucial to rinse your shoes properly. Hold them under cool, running water, ensuring all soap and cleaning solution are completely washed away. Squeeze out any excess water gently. To help them dry faster and maintain their shape, stuff the inside of each shoe with clean paper towels. Change the paper towels every few hours if they become saturated. Finally, air dry your shoes in a well-ventilated spot, avoiding direct sunlight or heat, which can cause yellowing. To keep your white canvas shoes looking fresh, consider some preventative measures. Once your shoes are completely dry, apply a water and stain repellent spray. This creates a protective barrier against future dirt and spills. For small scuffs or marks that appear between washes, a magic eraser can work wonders for quick touch-ups. Always store your clean white shoes in a cool, dry place, away from direct light, to help prevent any yellowing or discoloration over time. Enjoy your bright, clean footwear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.